Hello, I am on my way to Florida, and whenever I come through the airport, especially C Concourse, I always like to check and see how this wood's doing. It's been over a year since it was installed, and it's right here. If we look close, this is a relatively small check. In the other Timberline project that we did, it was boxed heart, so the checks got really big. This is free of heart timber, and this timber was put up green, whereas the previous Timberline was core dried timber. So that means that it went through the regular kiln drying process and then even more. But what I'm really tickled pink about is our timbers, free of heart, are performing better than the core dried. Partly because it's not boxed heart, but partly because my theory is vindicated that kiln drying, unless it's RFK heat kiln drying, doesn't do much. So, kind of cool. Now going down memory lane, I was the guy that put these little kind of hexagonal bevels here because they're cold on these pegs. So I trip down memory lane. One particular thing also was challenges in getting this project done. You can see here this is a big timber. We had a hoist for it. We had to really get creative, and as we put it up, there was a lot of work, and the whole logistics, even getting the timbers in. They had a box around here. We trundled timbers down on carts. Had to remove panels to get them in, and then inside of here, it's like working one of those games where you try to get numbers lined up when you only got one slot to work with. Very tight logistics. This whole piece inside here, I was against it at first, but my guys kept on me. They had the right idea. They said, let's put it together in one piece. It'll be a lot safer, and nothing's gonna fall on anyone's head. It's just all done. We put it up, all that ladder work eliminated. Great idea. What more? You see kind of the inside. This is less complex than the other one. It's got a really nice feel with the ceiling and the geometry. And the hexagon is a little bit more complex than the perfect triangle there. Really a cool project. Always fun to combine and inspect how things are doing. And we're headed to our family Christmas. Instead of gifts, we're going for an experience, which is Airbnb with our family. And in that spirit, I wish you happy holidays as well.